Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use swim lanes and pools in Draw.io. Swim lanes are incredibly useful for visualizing workflows across different teams or departments, making it easy to see who's responsible for each step in a process. Let's walk through creating one from scratch. First, open your browser and head over to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a start button right there waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a new tab where the actual diagram editor opens up, giving you a blank canvas to work with. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find various shape categories. Click on Advanced to expand that section. This is where Draw.io keeps more specialized diagram elements. Inside Advanced, you'll see 4 swimlane options: Horizontal Pool 1, Horizontal Pool 2, Vertical Pool 1, and Vertical Pool 2. These let you organize your diagram either horizontally or vertically depending on how you want your workflow to flow. For this example, we're going to use Horizontal Pool 1, so click on that option to add it to your canvas. With your horizontal pool now on the canvas, let's customize it to reflect an actual workflow. First, click on the pool title and change it from the default text to Activity. This will be the main label for your entire swim lane diagram. Next, we need to rename the individual lanes to represent different departments. Click on Lane 1 and change it to Marketing. Then, click on Lane 2 and rename it to Sales. Finally, rename Lane 3 to IT. Now, your swim lane structure clearly shows which department handles each part of the process. Time to add the actual workflow steps. Let's start by adding a circle shape to the canvas and naming it Start. This marks the beginning of your process. Now, in the marketing lane, add a square shape and label it Activity 1. Right next to it, still in marketing, add another square and call it Activity 2. Moving down to the sales lane, add a diamond shape and name it Decision. Diamonds are perfect for representing decision points in your workflow. Then, in the IT lane, add a square shape and name it Activity 3. We're not done adding shapes yet. Back in the sales lane, add another square shape and label it Activity 4. Finally, add an oval shape to the sales lane and name it End. This marks the completion of your workflow. Now, let's connect everything to show the flow between steps. Click on the Start circle and drag a connector to Activity 1, then connect Activity 1 to Activity 2. Next, draw a line from Activity 2 to the Decision diamond. From Decision, connect it down to Activity 3 in the IT lane. Continue by connecting Activity 3 to Activity 4 back in the sales lane. Finally, connect Activity 4 to the end oval. Your workflow now shows a clear path from start to finish, moving between departments as needed. If you want to make your diagram more visually appealing, you can easily customize the colors of each lane. Simply click on any lane and you'll see color options appear on the right side of the screen. Select whichever color helps distinguish each department clearly. Feel free to add more shapes, lanes, or connections as your workflow requires. And there you have it, a fully functional swim lane diagram showing how a process flows between marketing, sales, and IT. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.